Okay, so I went to Sephora. I got dressed because I was gonna go to Sephora. This is one of the things I don't really care for. My window's open, so you hear like cars and stuff. One of the things I don't really care for about having an autoimmune condition is you just really don't know how you're gonna feel when you wake up. I felt fine this morning. Washed my hair, all the things, did my makeup, everything. And then something told me not to drive. Like at first, I got in my car and I started to drive, but then I was like, yeah, nah, something told me not to drive. So I parked my car back in the parking garage and I got an Uber. And on the way, I started to feel sick, like nauseous sick. And I was just like, ugh, no, because I feel good, I look good. And I say that with no arrogance, I say that with confidence. Like, you know, days when you feel good and you look good, like I don't always feel and look how I feel like I look today. One was crazy, sometimes I'll be feeling like I look good and I don't, and then other days I'll be thinking that I don't look good and I'll be looking fire. But anyway, I started to feel sick, and so I was just like, man, just really disappointed. Like even now I don't feel well. And I feel like if I had somebody with me to walk around and like sit down and have, you know, lunch with, then it'd be okay. But since I'm by myself, I was like, let me just get what I need from Sephora and then go home. Anyway, went to Sephora to get, sample. I needed more of the Ordinary because I ran out. Like today, I had like a few drops left and I put it in my hands and I was like this. So I was like, yeah, no, I gotta go get some more. So here's some more. I bought where's my phone? Y'all know I be on TikTok. So I ordered my first TikTok shop order. I really don't feel good, y'all. I want to cry, but I'm not gonna cry. Like I'm so frustrated with my body today. Like I'm not gonna cry. But anyway, I like to do like my little hauls on, they gave me a $10 gift card. I like to do like little shopping hauls and stuff on TikTok. And as you can see where I live, there's an echo because y'all know I haven't really furnished this place for real. And so I got the viral, is it viral? I don't know, the little microphone so that when I'm far away from the phone, I can do, like the audio isn't so bad. The echo just isn't, you know what I'm saying? Audio be everything sometimes. Yay! So if y'all see me on TikTok with my little mic, look. I ordered another Ring camera. So I have 2 Ring cameras now. One I have for the peephole, but the apartment that I live in now, I haven't gotten a chance to use it because the way the peephole is set up. So I had to order a regular Ring camera. And then I got the Ring camera protector. It's supposed to get here today. So here's the Ring camera. Nothing really has happened per se, just I do be hearing stuff outside my door sometimes and I don't have time, especially my last experience. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you know how that experience went and it was just scary. What's this, medical bills? Girl, I had to go to the hospital because I had a complication with my autoimmune condition. The amount of money that they charge you for going into the ER, they sat me in a hallway with a bunch of other people. I was having a complication with my esophagus. They gave me medicine through the IV. Girl, they had the audacity to charge me like some 12 grand, and then my insurance took care of a lot of it, thank God. Y'all already know about healthcare in America. Like, I'm not even gonna go into a whole rant about it. AAA, what you want? What is this? And then what they did was they had given me something that had made me really drowsy and I had blacked out at the hospital. And so they released me like that, incoherent. And I took an Uber there because I couldn't drive. I barely remember how I got home. And so when I called them and I was like, what happened? How did I get home? And why did you guys release me after having give me so much medicine? Like, how did I get home? You know how unsafe that is? I just thank God that I'm okay. The Lord has always kept a hand over me, even during times when it didn't feel like it or look like it. Like when I look back and I'm like, I could see where the Lord had his hand covering me and like just really protecting me. Like I want to be frustrated and angry in this moment because of how I was treated at that hospital. Nurse, whoever released me, said that I was okay, but it's like if I'm telling you that I was blacked out and I don't know how I got home. Anyway, I don't need a new car. I don't need, you know what I'm saying? This is one thing about me. I don't live beyond my means. I have what I need, and that's all that I need, and that's it. Anyway. I don't have anything else to say. I'm kind of on this modesty journey. Obviously, what I have on right now is not giving modest. That's another conversation, honestly. For the longest time, for as long as I can remember. No, that's not true. Not for as long as I can remember. Since like college, honestly. I have felt like I don't know. Ring camera. This is heavy. Anyway, how y'all doing? This is my ring. I didn't realize they were so big. It's giving puzzle. It's giving where's the instructions? I'm not dating right now. Not officially anyway. There's one person that I kind of talk to at my convenience when I feel like it, which is like once a week or once every other week. He's attractive and he's like, I like that it's surface level. He doesn't press me. And he just lets me he's available when I need him. And then he doesn't press me. Like, he'll check on me every so often or say what's up. But I like that I can breathe. You know what I mean? It's fun. It's like flirty, but it's not like dating or anything like that, seriously. And I think I'm ready to date, seriously. I think I'm ready to like put myself out there to like really meet someone and like really take it serious and really be open to meeting like my purpose partner. But he has to be like a believer in the Lord. Like he has to love Jesus. I like that he makes himself available for me when I need him. And I like that he checks on me when I go too long without talking to him. And I like that he doesn't expect me to talk to him every day or like, we don't talk. And that's the thing about like communicating with people, period. Like I'm not the friend or the person that's gonna be hitting you up or talking to you every day. I might have spurts of that, like maybe 2 to 3 days in a row, but then I'll go ghost for like 2 weeks. I've gone ghost for a couple of months, like, and not because there's anything wrong, but because it's just like, I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't nobody know that I went to the hospital. Nobody knows about that situation. Nobody knows about like when I'm having health issues, I'm not out here talking to people and telling people about my health issues. I'm just dealing with it and managing it. And almost everybody that knows me personally knows that I manage an autoimmune disease. Every day is like insane. That's crazy. But anyway, yeah, I like that he makes himself available to me, like when I need him. And then he's got his own life, and it's like it feels normal to me. Okay, that's the thing too. Like, there's no shortage of men. It's really just the man that I have chemistry with, that complements my life, that loves Jesus, that we're compatible, you know? And then there's like, at my age, in my late 30s, like, I want to start my family from scratch. So there's that. Men my age, it's like they're either already married, they're homosexual, which is a whole nother conversation, because it's like, and that's just not what I'm attracted to. In the same way, I know that I'm, you know what I'm saying? I say that with no arrogance. I say it as just expressing a preference. We all have our preferences. And then I used to exclusively only date black guys, and that's just not the case anymore. I'm probably not going to put it, I'm going to edit that out. And I know I'm not ideal, because I'm like, I have a whole health issue. What man wants a woman with an autoimmune disease? Sometimes I think that. What man wants a woman with a health issue? Okay, so I'm not going to need no screws, because I have the protector door thing coming. So I think that I can skip this. What's your marital status? Are you single? Are you married? Are you divorced? Where did you meet your partner? I don't approach men. I don't think I'm ever going to. That's just not me. I don't really be out here hollering at men, because I just know what it likes to be pursued in a way like that's very persistent, very intentional, very I want you. I know what that feels like, and that's what I like. Somebody come help me with this ring thing. I don't want to have to worry about all this. I mean, I can do it. Till next time, maybe in another couple of weeks, I'll try to go get outside again. I don't always go outside, so. Did you hear that? My neck, girl. Hope that y'all are doing good. Y'all gonna notice like vlogs from me where I'm not exactly talking about too much, doing too much, or really providing value, but still, I mean, this is YouTube. I'm about to be treating YouTube the way that I used to treat YouTube back in the day, which is just coming on here to chat, because I feel like chatting. All right, talk to you later. Bye.